Hello viewer, this is Krishna sir. In this video, I am going to solve the first bit of second problem of exercise 4.2 from the NCERT textbook. In the first bit of second problem, there are two people, say John and Jivanti. So John and Jivanti. These both are having marbles. So the total number of marbles these John and Jivanti are having is nothing but 45. The sum of the marbles is equal to 45. Let us assume that John has X marbles. John plus Jivanti is equal to 45. So X plus Jivanti is equal to 45. So Jivanti will have 45 minus X marbles. So Jivanti will have 45 minus X marbles. So initially both are having X and 45 minus X marbles. In total they are having 45 marbles. Now both of them lost 5 marbles each. So after losing 5 marbles each, John will have X minus 5 marbles and Jivanti will have 45 minus X minus 5 marbles. So 45 minus X minus 5 is nothing but 40 minus X marbles. So after losing 5 marbles each, John is having for X minus 5 marbles and Jivanti is having 40 minus X marbles. Now it is given that after losing 5 marbles each, the product of the number of marbles both are having is equal to 124. That means it is given that X minus 5, John is having X minus 5 marbles into Jivanti is having 40 minus X marbles. So the product of these two is equal to 124. So this is the information given. From this information, we need to find out how many marbles both John and Jivanti were having in the beginning. So we need to find the value of X. So let us solve this. So I will open the brackets and multiply. X into 40 is nothing but 40x. Plus into minus is minus. X into x is x square. Minus into plus is minus. 5 into 40 is nothing but 200. Minus into minus is plus. 5 into x is 5x is equal to 124. So if you solve this, I will get it as, I will write this in an order. So minus x square. So 5x plus 5x and plus 40x plus 45x. So minus 200 is equal to 124. So what I will do is, on the left side of the equal to sign, whatever terms I have, I will take it to the other side of the equality side. So minus x square will become plus x square. So I will get plus x square plus 45x will become minus 45x. Minus 200 will become plus 200. So already on the right side we have 124. Plus 124 is equal to 0. Now if you solve this, we will get x square minus 45x plus 200 plus 124 is nothing but 324 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation. So let us say this is equation 1. So now if you see the equation 1, it is a quadratic equation. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation. So we need to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So to do that, we will compare the equation 1 with standard form of the quadratic equation. We know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if you compare the equation 1 with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we will get the value of a is equal to 1, the value of b is equal to minus 45 and the value of c is equal to 324. So from this information, we will calculate the value of x. So first find out a into c. A into c is equal to 1 into 324. This is equal to 324. Now I have to select two factors of 324 in such a way that when I add up those two factors, I should get the value of b, that is minus 45. So when I add the two factors of 324, I should get minus 45. So what I'll do is I'll write this 324 as is equal to minus 9 into minus 36. So minus 9 into minus 36 is nothing but 324. And if I add up minus 9 and minus 36, so minus 9 plus of minus 36. So this is equal to minus 45. When I am adding minus 9 with minus 36, I am getting minus 45. Minus 45 is nothing but the value of b. So now let us factorize this quadratic equation. So I will get x square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is equal to 0. So minus 9x minus 36x is nothing but minus 45x. This minus 45x I am writing it as minus 9x minus 36x. So I can take x common. So x into x minus 9 minus 36 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. I am getting x minus 9 as common both the places. So I will take x minus 9 common. So x minus 9, if I take x minus 9 common, so see here, x into x is x square, x into minus 9 is minus 9x, minus 36 into x is minus 36x, minus 36 into minus 9 is plus 320. If I take x minus 9 common, I will be left with x minus 36 is equal to 0. X minus 9 into x minus 36 is equal to 0. So this means either x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 36 is equal to 0. If x minus 9 is equal to 0, then on the left side of the equal to sign, I have minus 9. If I take this minus 9 to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become plus 9. Then x will be equal to 9. In the same way, if x minus 36 is equal to 0, then, so on the left side of the equal to sign, I have minus 36. If I take it to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become x plus 36. So x is equal to 36. So x can take values 9, 36. What does this mean? If x is equal to 9, what is x? X is nothing but the number of marbles which John is having at the beginning. So if John is having 9 marbles at the beginning, then Jivanti will have 45 minus x. So 45 minus 9, that is 36. So if John is having 9 marbles, then Jivanti will have 36 marbles. Now let us take the other case. So in case if x is equal to 36, that means if John is having 36 marbles, then Jivanti will have 45 minus 36, that is equal to 9 marbles. So if John is having 36 marbles, then Jivanti will have 9 marbles. This is the meaning of this. So 9, 36 are the roots of the quadratic equation 1. So x can take values 9 or 36. So 9, 36 are the required answers. So this is how we need to solve this problem. So from the given information, we need to frame the quadratic equation. Then we have to solve the quadratic equation and we have to find the value of x.